Ever thought about how a Sunday looks like in Oak Cliff, Dallas, Texas? Let's dive into history. Once known as Hoard's Ridge, Oak Cliff evolved into an elite resort. Now it's the cultural hub of Dallas, pulsating with energy each Sunday. Jefferson Boulevard has transformed from a historic landmark into the community's lifeblood, a vibrant stage showcasing local traditions, with the iconic Mando spot smoke shop at its heart. Cliff's essence, steeped in rich history, persists, symbolizing its resilient community. Come, let's dive into a typical Sunday in Oak Cliff on Jefferson Boulevard, a perfect blend of tradition, modernity, and history. Jefferson Boulevard on any given Sunday is transformed into a vibrant cultural canvas, awash with the iconic Lowriders. These machines are more than wheels, they're robust symbols of cultural identity. Jefferson Boulevard is Oak Cliff's cultural crux, a living testament to its rich history and strong Mexican-American community influence. The Lowriders, born post-war, are dynamic art forms reflecting the creator's artistic prowess. They have seamlessly integrated into the local culture, their evolution mirroring growth. Under the Texan sun, the Lowriders cruise leisurely. Each perfectly detailed car is a declaration identity, harmonizing with cultural ethos. They foster community spirit, turning the street into a living museum. Their presence transforms Jefferson Boulevard into a cultural hub, fostering camaraderie in a changing world. Indeed, the Lowriders are the heart of Boulevard, embodying cultural continuity and standing vibrant testament to a thriving culture that refuses to fade into oblivion. Let's pause for a moment at Mando's Spot Smoke Shop on Jefferson, an establishment that stands as a cultural hub within this diverse neighborhood. Mando's Spot is more than a smoke shop. It's an emblem of the rich tapestry that is Oak Cliff. Amidst the vibrant landscape of the boulevard, Mando's Spot holds its own. It serves as a rallying point for locals, a gathering place creating an oasis of unity. This cultural hub maintains a steady presence amidst the diverse business world, reflecting the spirit of Oak Cliff's community. Be sure to visit Mando's Spot and experience the vibrant business environment of Oak Cliff, a neighborhood teeming with energy and community spirit. Oak Cliff's culture is as rich as its history, a unique blend of vibrancy and diversity that paints the city with a spectrum of cultural hues. Located in the city's heart, Oak Cliff is home to the historic Texas Theater, a testament to the area's rich cultural heritage. But Oak Cliff's cultural scene extends beyond iconic theater. It pulses to the rhythm of diverse music genres, adding life to the neighborhood, takes pride landmarks like the popular Cinco parades, and revered Dia de los Muertos rituals. These celebrations define Oak Cliff's shared history and traditions. Despite ongoing evolution, Oak culture remains resilient, threads of history, tradition, and community spirit. The culture of Oak Cliff is vibrant. It's a city where each local landmark, be it the Texas Theater or annual parades, stands as a testament to the collective community spirit and lends a unique charm to the neighborhood. Oak Cliff, situated at the core of Dallas, Texas, stands as a vivid representation of change and development. A quiet rural retreat, it has become dynamo, preserving its unique cultural essence. Jefferson Boulevard is a testament to this, with a display of vintage cars that shout the city's notable car clubs like Dallas Lowriders, Certified Lowriders, and Togethers take stage, creating a vivid automotive spectacle. Yet Oak Cliff is more than. It's a cityscape that beautifully balances modern architecture with a nostalgic connection to its past. A community expertly juggling gentrification, progress, and the preservation of its rich culture. It's a spirit that, while evolving, stays faithful to its roots, enriched by a diverse heritage. And that vibrant Lowrider parade, it adds a final touch to the Oak Cliff narrative, symbolizing continuity. So, as Oak Cliff continues to transform, it makes its roots are not just firmly planted, but make quite the show. So what truly encapsulates Oak Cliff culture? It's a stunning blend of past and future, uniting with traditions like Sunday Lowrider gatherings. Lowriders cruising down Jefferson Boulevard symbolize Oak Cliff's rich heritage, linking the present to the past. This tradition was formed way back. Defying stereotypes, Oak Cliff balances change and tradition within its vibrant community. It's a culture that simultaneously embraces progression and safeguards traditions. The culture of Oak Cliff is an ode to its enduring spirit love for heritage. As we conclude our Sunday exploration of Oak Cliff, let's ponder on the dynamic transformation of this district. Known for its auto artistry, this district showcases charismatic lowriders. Also houses places like Mando's Spot Smoke Shop, which has evolved from a tobacco vendor to a community hub. Both amplify the spirit of the district's dynamic transformation while preserving its community fabric. Oak Cliff harmoniously fuses historical traditions with modern developments. The rhythmic pulse of its ever-changing music, local art, and food narrate the city's evolving identity while honoring its diverse cultures. Jefferson Boulevard in particular offers a cultural experience that's continually reinventing itself. The neighborhood's resilience and dynamism breathe new life into the area while cherishing its unique narrative. Until time, let's take with us the inspiring story of Oak Cliff and keep exploring and appreciating the world's diverse and evolving cultures.